The following how-to video applies to specific models and trim levels. Please take a moment to confirm this video applies to your Subaru. The clock on your Subaru can update automatically, or you can choose to set it manually. To set your clock to update automatically, press the Home button. Then select Settings, Vehicle, Time and Date, Mode, Auto. Your clock will now sync via Bluetooth to a phone that is paired with your vehicle. Press the X to exit the current screen. To set your clock manually, press the Home button. Then select Settings, Vehicle, Time and Date, Mode, Manual. From here, you can press the plus or minus buttons beside the clock to adjust the time. Press and hold for quicker time adjustments. You can also choose between a 12 or 24-hour format. First, turn off your Subaru. Then press and hold the minus button for approximately 5 seconds, or until the clock display starts to flash. Then, press and hold the plus button for about 2 seconds to change the clock format. Once the clock display is reset, it will flash for about 3 seconds.